Hi guys, happy Monday to you. This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. And for today's recipe, I baked two different kind of cookies using one batch of dough or wet sticky batter of one recipe only. And I call them Tweedle Dee and Tweedle Dum because, you know, two different cookies from the same mother batch. To differentiate the cookies, you will see in the video how I added some to Tweedle Dee and added some to Tweedle Dum. They are very, very, very good. I love them so much. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Tweedle Dee and Tweedle Dum. This is one handful of walnut pieces. We're gonna just roughly chop it to a smaller pieces and set to side for now. And one handful of raisins, and we're gonna chop it as well to smaller pieces. This is 2¼ cup of enriched flour with 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder or ground ginger, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix it and set aside. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of demerara style brown sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. We're just gonna cream it until pale and cream, nicely combined. And I forgot to plug in the mixer. I am so silly, I know. 1 second, there we go. Creamy and fluffy. We're gonna add 8 tablespoons of liquid whole egg and mix it until just blended or combined. Now we're gonna mix in dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and we're gonna add the raisin and walnut as well. So just fold the dry ingredients into the wet. Mixed, add another 1 handful of walnut pieces, but this time do not chop it. The same with the raisin, 1 more handful of raisin, but do not chop it. Now we mix again. Once that mix, divide batter into 2, half the batter. Now that you have 2 batter, one gonna be Tweedle Dee cookies, the other one gonna be Tweedle Dum. For the Tweedle Dum, add 1 handful of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Bake them separately. Obviously, we're gonna do the Tweedle Dee first. So with cookie dough scooper or ice cream scooper, just scoop the dough or batter. Dough. It's kind of dough. It's sticky batter, and just drop them onto buttered or greased baking pan. Like so. You want to give them some spaces. Bake them at preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Do the same for the Tweedle Dum. With cookie scooper or ice cream scooper, drop on greased pan. Now that the cookies are cooled, completely cooled, on the cooling rack, we're gonna glaze it with icing sugar and milk. So for the Tweedle Dee, it is milk frosted cookies, while the Tweedle Dum is not gonna be frosted, yet they have chocolate chips. Just drizzle them on the cookies. So these are the Tweedle Dee. As you can see, some of the icing sugar or the frosted milk frosted, and these are the Tweedle Dums.